Use a spreadsheet, and the spreadsheet is going to tell you which products are going to be profitable and which ones are not profitable. I call this the product evaluation spreadsheet. It is literally red light, green light, done for you. So what we're going to do first is, let's say you are looking into, I've already filled this out for you, but I'm going to quickly show you how I've done it. We're going to go ahead and look at this toothbrush holder. So we're going to click into it so that way the listing image pops up like this. We're going to right click and we're going to go to the actual click on image link. We're going to copy this link and we're going to go ahead and go back to our spreadsheet, and we just want to embed this image right in here. So we click on that, we go up to top, insert image right here, insert image in cell, link, paste, and you insert that image. Okay, I've already done it. That's it. Now we have that in there. Go ahead and grab the link for the actual product. So if you have a business partner or you're working with your wife, you guys can both be filling out the sheet and evaluating the same product. You know where the product link is on Amazon, and you're able to go in there. If you have multiple products I want to go after, I left you two for the two top products that you're trying to chase. Now what we're going to do is, when you are on there, we want to figure out what is the top keyword that these guys are actually using to sell product. Right now it's going to show toothbrush holders for bathrooms, but we're not sure if that's the actual stuff that people are typing in. So we're going to go to keyword, we click on that. It's going to pop up Cerebro, which I've already done just for the speed of this video. I then found that organic rank is all here. These are all the ones, but which one has the most search terms? So definitely bathroom gadgets has 3,000. Over here, household decor, 1,800. Good job that they got into household decor, but that's not exactly what the product is, and it's way too broad. So you start out, you want to go after something that's a little bit more specific. So bathroom wall organizer has 4,600. They're number one, and so most likely the majority of their sales are coming from that large keyword, bathroom wall organizer, and that's also exactly what the item is. So what we're going to go ahead and do is back to our spreadsheet to figure out to plug in the main product keyword and or product. Right now, how many sales are these guys actually going to do? So we're going to go back over here to X-ray to see what they're selling. Wow, 9,700. So if we look at all time as well, we can also see that, all right, there is a peak. They're coming down. So it looks like at some point they're almost doing 1,000 a day. So these guys are selling literally anywhere between, like, let's say 8,000 units and like 15, 20,000 units a month or something like that. So that's a huge sales volume right there. So let's go to 8,000, let's say 8,000 to 15,000 to be conservative is what they're actually selling per month. Let's say they're at $24.99, but if you come in new, you have no reviews, you might need to go at $21.99. So we'll plug that a little bit lower, and then 24, or let's say we try to do a better one and we try to increase it to $27.99. So this is just the range of stuff that I think I may be able to sell the market in for now. Go ahead and let's see what are the Amazon fees. We're going to go ahead back to the product, click on your extension. Profitability calculator tells you exactly what they think the Amazon fees are. So for example, FBA fee is $765. So grab that number and plug it into $765. So if you also change the price, I actually already was messing around here, so it was $24.99, but I changed it to $30. So $24.99, still same fee. If I were to go to, like, let's say $60, the fee stays the same. So it's not price specific. That's something I just like to check to make sure, because that's just basically based on the actual category that you're in. So it does show you too that the higher price you go, the less you're going to get percentage wise. The fee is going to actually matter, right? So that's why premium is better for Amazon type of stuff. Now let's say your targeted landed price is $3, or let's say Amazon, for example, not Amazon, but Helium 10 guesses, they're just thinking maybe the guy's buying it for $5. So if that's the case, the person is and sold it for 60, they're going to be at a huge profit margin. But in all reality, he's selling for $24.99. If he is buying it for $12, he's only getting a 42% ROI and a 16% profit margin. So let's say we have, $3, 80%, stuff like that. So my product evaluation tool takes into account that. It takes into account like these two here, these 4 items you're not going to touch, okay? But you're just going to do these ones, okay? So you're not going to touch these. these percentages because I already have them calculated for you. Okay, so total profit margins and then your ROI. So if you're at 3%, $3 landed cost, that's probably going to be your ROI and your profit margin. Okay, now that's pretty much it for the initial. And then what we're going to do here is if you're ready to go in and get some quotes from Alibaba, let's say you do get manufacturer quotes and now you have, the minimum quote is 365 and the, dollar per unit for shipping because they'll give you an estimated shipping quote as well. And then let's say you buy like, okay, well, a lot of times I like to ask them, I want to buy, 20,000 units. What's the cheapest you can get me? Like, okay, well, if you buy that much, we'll give it to you for this much. Okay, so I plug in both these numbers, 365 a dollar, $3 a dollar to figure out. This is all, don't touch these because these have formulas. So if anything with a formula in it, don't touch it. We'll automatically give you the Amazon referral fee, which is a percentage wise. And then of course, I just have a 10% advertising cost in there. So you know what you're probably going to be running on an ACOS or advertising cost basis. If that's the case, you're at a 19% profit margin, 61% ROI. If you can sell it for higher, then you're going to be in a little bit better shape. And of course, if you buy it for cheaper. So a lot of times, let's say you're a supplier says, oh no, well, for only 100 units, 365. Okay, cool. I'm going to test at 100 units, lose a little bit of money or not get the best ROI, but it's okay. If I buy 10,000 units at the end, let's say, because we know that this product is actually selling 8 to 15,000 a month. So let's say, oh, wow, I want to buy 2 months worth of product. Okay, cool. Now I can get it for cheaper. And my initial cost of investment for that second order is 40 grand. It's really easy to launch, but we got to make sure we fund it if it's that big of a product. Make sense? So this literally gives you green light here, red light there, but it tells you, let's say you would automatically go $27.99. Boom, it's green. Oh, sweet. That's what I got to do it for. So now you can go back to the drawing board. How do I get it to give enough value at $27.99? What do I have to add or bundle it with in order for me to make what I want to make? End of story. Thanks for watching. Bye.